So I've heard about different instances of the discrimination and how things have reached to HRs. So वो सब हुआ है, but again, then as a company, there are really strict rules.
I have heard amazing stories in India that women को safe रखने के लिए like they try to like let them go at 5 p.m. and like they give them the same work-life balance they maybe expect in the US or Canada. So do you feel like कि work-life balance was pretty good for you in India and you didn't face any discrimination?
I would say there are two parts to it. First of all, it completely depends on the team that you are working with, and also like the company you are in, and also maybe like so basically I have worked in Wipro as well. So Wipro is a client-based company. It basically caters to different companies and provides service as a product. When I was in Wipro, I didn't get the luxury like you can leave by 5 p.m. Because our client was a US-based client, so we had to match to their times. Obviously, I always made sure that I leave by 5 p.m. But there were certain days when we had to cater to some critical bugs or some critical loopholes that we had to cater to, and we had to make a call with the US-based client. So there were times when I have left Wipro maybe as late as 12 a.m. in the morning. So I wouldn't say there is as such, like if you're a girl, you cannot leave later on. You have to leave as early. But having said that, they do make sure that you, irrespective of the gender, whether you are a male or you are a female, they make sure like if you have booked a shuttle or not. So if you have, Wipro used to provide the shuttle service as well, so that if you're late in the night, they make sure that you reach your place safely. So irrespective whether you are a male or a female. And in Adobe, I think that as such in this industry, there is some ratio, I'm not sure, I cannot quote on it, but there is some male to female ratio that you should have within a company. So exactly. Because if you see, I'm not sure how much have you experienced this, but in IT industry, there are less females as compared to males in a team or in a company altogether. So to have that balance, I have seen like within Adobe different interview programs run where they were specifically for women. So basically they wanted to basically onboard more females within Adobe. So they just they have driven few interview programs where only women can give interview and obviously can join Adobe. And that was not specific to any male. There are obviously general interview programs, interview processes which happen, but I remember this one particular time when the program was specific to onboard females, to have that balance between male and female ratio within company. So yeah, that's what I've seen.
कि मैंने तो सुना था मतलब कि मेरे दोस्तों के आसपास कि if someone is a girl वो अप्लाई करते हैं, they get an interview, but being a boy मुझे याद है कि even if I go to in person networking event तो भी मुश्किल से interview आती थी. I knew that somehow they want to have a good number of sex ratio in terms of boys to girls. Otherwise, like it's really sad to see कि 10 boys, 1 girl, वो नहीं चाहते. Every team I worked in the US, they want to. Because अगर मैं आपको example दूँ, I have seen the show of Uber, Super Pumped. उसमें Uber startup में दिखाया गया है कि that there were so many cases of sexual assault against women. वो शायद इंडिया में भी हमने इतना नहीं सुना होगा किसी कंपनी में, hardly. But in US, that company was so infamous for it, and that was really, really sad. And to counter that, many companies are encouraged to have somewhat a good number of girls to boys ratio. So yeah, and आपको लगता है कि आपने कभी ऐसा like सुना है इंडिया में like these kind of assault जैसे Uber के केस में होता है, इंडिया में कभी सुनने को मिलता है ऐसा कि girls have been sexually assaulted?
I have not heard like within my immediate circle or people whom I knew, but I have heard about discrimination of some sort within companies be it either company that I've worked in. So I've heard about different instances of the discrimination and how things have reached to HRs. So वो सब हुआ है, but again, then as a company, there are really strict rules. In Adobe, I have seen like there are very strict rules if there is any sort of discrimination reported against you. So as in terms of we talk about security for women, I never felt like insecure while I was at either of these companies, to be fair. So yeah, it completely depends on the kind of policy that the company have.
India is doing great with women's safety in tech, जो मैंने सुना है. But what about discrimination? Can you elaborate what sort of discrimination girls or women face in tech industry?
Okay, this is not exactly what I've heard, but I can give you an example, like what kind of discrimination women can face. So basically, say two people joined company at the same time on a similar post. As a software engineer, let's go by level, like software engineer 1, right? And say there is this one manager who prefers working with the guy way more than the girl, although they both are equally good in their respective work that they are doing. So you can see a difference in appraisals in both of the candidates. Also, you can see how a guy can get promoted quite easily as compared to the girl. So these are few instances that can happen, and you can hear from people. Like again, I have not heard this within people who were around me, but I've heard instances while I was in India. Like, okay, these kind of things do happen. So you can see like discrepancies in salaries. You can see like a guy getting promoted way too fast. You know, you might have heard like sutta, like अगर आप अपने मैनेजर के साथ सुट्टा पीने गए, आपका एक अच्छा उनके साथ कनेक्शन बन गया, and then you are like into close proximity with your higher management. So there are instances जहाँ पे because of that itself you are favorism in a way, not just like discrimination, but favorism. Like you are much more favored, not just because of work, but other things as well. Maybe because of your personal connection with the management, that can basically make a difference between two people who deserve equally.
I would say ये US में भी बहुत होता है. Like it's a sad, honest truth about tech industry. Like not in same perspective like women and men, but for example, I was talking to one guy, वो Indian था, and he was saying कि he had an Indian manager who was not from the same community, वो कहीं और से था, and like he was not giving promotion at all, not green card भी apply नहीं किया. उसे देखा उसके आसपास जो दूसरे Indians हैं जिनका एक American manager है, they were getting promoted, they were getting, you know, like green card के लिए apply होना 15-20 साल पहले. Those service based companies में ऐसा culture is also, you know, part of favoritism, discrimination. It's really like sad, honest truth. कहीं जगह पे होता है. And it is also related to colleges in the US. कई बार होता है कि if manager is from the same college, they have some sort of connection, तो वो ज़्यादा chances देते हैं interview के लिए. And I was also lucky one. मैं अपना भी privilege बताता हूँ कि one of the interviews I did, my manager was from the same college. वो instantly connect to her, and without much interview difficulty I got accepted. ये कई बार मैंने देखा है. So I think it's the harsh truth of tech industry, but especially देखना बार-बार, it's very disappointing.
Yeah, like even in Canada I've heard this a lot कि Indian ही Indian को पसंद नहीं कर रहा होता है. This is something, yeah, you'll hear this a lot कि if there is someone who is not Indian or who is not desi in a way, अगर Canadian है, you'll hear like they're much more helpful, and they're much more like caring as compared to people who are from India. So I've heard this a lot. I've heard instances from different students a lot. Like, यार Indian है तो वो Indian को इतना they're like नहीं चाहिए, या फिर they don't help. They are not that helpful. Even in Canada, I've heard that.
वो भी ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि अच्छा ये नॉर्थ इंडिया साउथ इंडिया करते हैं. नो, इट्स लाइक इवन अगर सेम स्टेट से कुछ लोग अपने लोगों को लोग काटना चाहते हैं कई बार. आई हैव सीन दैट. एंड जैसे मैंने वो ग्रीन कार्ड वाली एग्जांपल दी, लाइक सम मैनेजर्स लाइक डोंट वांट टू सी देयर ओन काइंड ऑफ पीपल ग्रो एज मच एज दे themselves want to grow. It's really a harsh truth, but I would say कि big tech companies में it is really in control, but some service based companies में it has been going out of control.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. So, yeah, it completely depends again the kind of policy that the company have and what they really want to put out. Like that's what I say. Like once you join Adobe, it's really difficult to leave Adobe because of the kind of policies. There we say like employees are like king and queens in Adobe because that's how Adobe take cares of you. So it completely depends, company to company, team to team, managers to managers. Yeah.
Right. And now, as you are in Canada, like, what are your experiences? You think that these favoritism, discriminations are far less? And you have worked at RBC, you have Canadian experience, education experience at McMaster, top 3 University of Canada. What do you think about it?
So yeah, absolutely. Like in Canada, specifically, like since I'm working as an intern here in RBC, there is a clear separation between your work life and your personal life. So if you have to work till 9 PM, that's it. I remember like my initial days, क्योंकि आपको वो आदत हो जाती है. Even when I was in India, if I have been given a particular work, I had to make sure कि यार मैं उसे खत्म करके घर जाऊँ. चाहे फिर 6 बज जाए, 7 बज जाए, या फिर मैं घर जाके कंटिन्यू करूँ कि यार कल मुझे इस काम पे काम नहीं करना है वापस से. Here, the change that I've seen is my own mentors and my manager started saying at exactly 4:58, Surbhi, it's time to wrap up and leave. No, you don't have to work beyond 5. Like they make sure that you don't overwork, even as an intern here in RBC. And also, like as an intern, what I've seen is since we are here for few months, right? We are not full time, but the kind of opportunities I've been provided with, the kind of major projects that I've worked on, even as an intern here in RPC, and the appreciation that you get appreciation for just doing your work. That's something really wonderful that I've seen here. कि अगर आपने अपना काम किया है but अच्छे से किया है, they will make sure that they appreciate you in front of everyone. Like, okay, Surbhi, you really did a good job on completing this particular task. You went beyond your understanding to know more, to learn more, and then wrapping up this project. So that's really good. And also, like, if I have something to say about a particular topic or a particular project, I can see people considering it. I can see people actually thinking about it. And so you feel valued. Like, okay, my opinion is being valued here.